The first one is the handheld inkjet printer. This product has stable, high demand and recently spiked, proving it's a market winner. On TikTok, it's going viral, with videos hitting over 159k likes. Users are calling it incredible and a must-have for small shops. It's a compact, multifunctional printer that works on almost any surface, instantly solving the mess of bulky label makers. Dropshippers, this product has a strong visual appeal and low return rates. Next up, the solar outdoor light. The demand for this item is incredibly consistent and is currently peaking at its highest point. The product has a strong 4.5-star rating and is an Amazon's choice, with 5K plus bought last month alone. It's marked as a hot seller, and videos using the hashtag #SolarLight have nearly 250k total creations. We see listings getting huge traction, with some showing over 57k purchases. Consumers love the subtle, calming light. It's practical, attractive, and installs in seconds. Dropshippers, this is a year-round essential. The third one is the book Embosser. It's perfect for high-profit holiday campaigns and creates instant viral content. 404k and 727k likes. The best gift for book lovers. It's a must-have, rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, with over 600 sold last month alone. It's not just for books, it works for notebooks and leather goods too. The strong sales on platforms like Temu confirm this massive market demand. Dropshippers are a guaranteed profit driver for your Q4 strategy. It's your next high conversion winner. Product number 4 is the Cozy Winter Cat House. Demand for this item is highly seasonal, and it's right now that the searches are peaking. This product creates massive traction on social media. The hashtag #CatHouse has over 80k creations. Individual videos are hitting high likes. The comment sections are gold. People are begging, "Where do I get one?" and "Where to buy?" This is a huge signal of instant buying intent from consumers. The Cat House offers 2 cozy usage modes for better sleep. Dropshippers, this is a high margin, emotional buy that sells itself during the cold months. And finally, product number 5, anxiety rings. On social media, the visual appeal is huge, making videos go instantly viral. It is perfect for people who fidget or pick their nails. Customers confirm they are beautiful and they work, helping to keep hands busy. The rings are an Amazon's choice product, with over 1k units bought last month alone. Dropshippers, jewelry is always a high-margin niche.